So most of you guys are facing issue on this lab. So here is a detailed dedicated solution for this particular lab. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and do like the video. Now just click on start lab. And if you want to this enable this yellow check my progress bar, for that just check the video description or you can just come to the playlist here. I've covered all your queries. If you want to participate in the arcade also, you can watch the detailed guide. Now coming to the page directly, just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, refer to the lab instruction. Now just click on I understand. Mm. Now from here, what you need to do, you need to just do one thing, that just from here, right click over here and open the cloud storage from here. And here only just activate the Cloud Shell 2. How to activate the Cloud Shell? You have to click on this button next to the Gemini icon. Now here, please follow attentively complete solution guide. Here just click on continue. Just click on authorize. Now just come to the task number 1. From here, just copy this command and wait for the Cloud Shell to activate. Which command we copied? Task 1, this one. From here. And most of the guys are spreading rumors. They are what they are doing. They are just sharing my files only in Notepad they are opening. And they are saying GitHub account will get banned. Okay, so these kind of people are there in the arcade challenge, what we can say, and they are calling themselves as creator. They don't differentiate, they just copy the solution directly. Now just wait for the Cloud Shell to activate. If you fail, like if the Cloud Shell is not responding anymore, what you can do, you can just click on this three dots, restart. VM is unresponsive and just click on restart. It will again take some time and the Cloud Shell will be reactivated. So let's wait. So finally the Cloud Shell is ready. If you are still facing issue, just restart the lab. Now let's come over here and just copy the task1 command and just paste over here, hit enter. Now it's working and it has been successfully created. Now come back over here and in the search box we have to type this. Okay, you can type it or just copy from here. Just paste over here in the search box. Click on it. Carefully follow the tutorial. I am just doing everything slowly. You have to just check, agree and continue. Allow. Click on continue. Allow. Click on this checkbox and accept it. Just click on continue. Now open any online notepad or personal notepad. Okay, we have to do the next step. Now come over here in the cloud storage and just click on the buckets option. If bucket is not showing over here, just refresh the browser and just try again. Or you can just refresh over here. If you have followed the way I have done. Now just copy it over here, click on it. And from here, just come to the lab instruction and copy this. Task number 2, this command. Okay. Paste on your notepad and carefully replace the bucket name as I am doing. From here, you can see the bucket name is here. Let me just show you. This is our bucket name. Click on this clipboard icon and just replace it carefully. All things are done. Let me just see. Control A, Control C and just close it. Now in the Cloud Shell, just paste it like this, hit enter. Now this thing is done. And most people will, what they do, first of all, let me just show you the process. Click on this flow. And now in the description box, I've shared this repository. Okay, you have to just download this file to your local system. Now what people will do, they will, first of all, let me just import it also. Click on import. Okay. Now just click on this import and all files are being uploaded. Click on close. They'll share the same file in Google Drive or any other resource like in their Telegram channel. And they'll say that this file is uploaded on the GitHub. It may get you banned. And they are just copying all the solutions also and the files also and just changing their name on the files while executing. So now just click on it. So like these people are available on the community, what you can say. Now right click over here and just replace dataset with parameters. And here, what we need to do, we need to copy the bucket name again. Copy the bucket name from here and carefully replace all the things. Just click on it. Carefully replace all things are correct. Just click on update matches. Then click on this and just replace it. If it is not clickable, just directly replace it. Now click on second. We have to repeat all the process till here. So just click on it, right click, replace dataset, replace the bucket name over here, update matches, replace. This thing is also done. Come to the third one. Come to the third one. Replace everything. Update matches. Now the last one. Update everything. Update matches. What I am doing, I am replacing the previous bucket name over here with the latest bucket, which is I just copied right now. Now just click on replace. So all these things and all the buckets have been updated till here. Now just click on this. Just click on this output button. Means output. Once you have click on it, just click on run option. Now don't directly run all the things. Watch carefully till the end. Here you'll see a option. When you'll hover over here, like you'll place your mouse cursor over here, you'll see edit option. You have to click on it. Now here most of the guys are making mistake that they are selecting cloud storage. Let it be default as BigQuery only. Okay. Now from here you have to just click on this BigQuery. Okay. Here you have to click on BigQuery. Do not click on cloud storage. I am in BigQuery. I am clicking on BigQuery and for the project we'll find in the lab instruction here project ID you have to copy from here. Carefully copy it, paste over here, click on go. Click on this data prep. Now click on create a new table. I'm doing it slowly so that you are able to complete the lab. Now just click on update. Now once all these things are done, just click on run. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. I'm not cutting the video. I'm leaving it as it is. Meanwhile, it's being done. Come over here. Here I have covered in the channel if you check. If you want to know how to participate in the arcade program, this is your video guide in Hindi language. If you want to know in English, here is the complete guide in English language. If you just want to create the account and start participating and winning swags, this video is for you. So all the guides are available in the channel. If you are interested in other events also, you can always navigate to the channel and just view all the videos, all the details, all the posts in the channel. You can clearly see there are some cool courses also, cool challenges also, and the complete solutions are already available on the channel. So make sure you navigate and check all the things. Now let's come over here and here you can see all things are being done. Once you see the job has been successfully finished. Okay, you can see these things are done. Simply come back again to the lab instruction and just check the score. So you can see we have got the score. Do not worry, just follow as I am doing. You'll surely get the score without any issue. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead. Also, I will post a video for the labs which are not working.